In this video, I'll show you how to quickly delete files from OneDrive, whether you're clearing up storage space or just keeping things organized. Let's get into it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to OneDrive. Just search OneDrive or go directly to Microsoft's cloud storage page. Once it loads, hit the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you're on a shared or public computer, make sure to uncheck Keep Me Signed In before logging in. After signing in, you'll land on the OneDrive homepage. From there, click on My Files in the left-hand panel. This is where all your uploaded and saved files live. Depending on your settings, you'll see them displayed as thumbnails or as a list. Now, find the file you want to delete. Hover over it and a checkbox will appear. Click it to select the file. Need to delete multiple files at once. Just check the boxes on each one. Next, click the three-dot icon, the More Options button, that appears next to the file name or in the toolbar above. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. Your files will be moved to OneDrive's recycle bin, so nothing is gone for good just yet. You can restore anything from there if you change your mind, and that's all there is to it. A clean, organized OneDrive makes it easier to find what you need and keeps your storage in check. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more tips just like this one.